Hello and welcome to Visual Hotel Reviews. Today we're taking you to Chateau Denmark. It's right on Denmark Street, just steps from Tottenham Court Road Station and Soho. Conveniently located near transport and attractions, surrounded by iconic music history and entertainment. The rooms at Chateau Denmark are anything but ordinary. You won't find cookie-cutter hotel design here. Think bold, theatrical spaces like gold bathtubs, graffiti-covered walls, and rich, moody lighting. Each room tells its own story. Some are set inside beautifully restored Victorian townhouses, full of old-world charm. Others are inside a former music studio. As for pricing, rooms typically start around £350 per night. It depends on the room type and season. Suites and apartments with extra features like the famous gold tub can go much higher, sometimes over £800 a night. It's definitely not a budget stay, but you are definitely getting something bold and unforgettable for the price. Every suite is different, designed to make you feel like you are stepping into another world. Whether you are after edgy and urban or classic and romantic, there is a room here that fits your vibe. When it comes to facilities, Chateau Denmark keeps things stylish and simple. It's all about creating your own vibe.